Our project is gas leakage monitoring and alerting system. First, we need an Arduino UNO. Next, we need an MQ2 gas sensor. Next, we need an LED and a buzzer. LED is for blinking and buzzer is for indication if it's on or off. And finally, we need a lighter to test this out. So this is the MQ2 sensor. You can see it. It is just a simple sensor, and below it, just the round one is the sensor, and below it are the circuits. Here we are going to use 3 pins, and it has a potentiometer in it, and its main job is in the plain air is conductivity is very less, and in case any gas leakage happens, it informs the Arduino UNO. It gives both analog and digital values, but here we are going to only use the analog values. It contains the VCC, ground and analog pins, and we are going to use the analog pins only here. Now we are going to see how the circuit connection works. Now let's go into it. The MQ2 sensor is connected to the 5 volts Arduino. Next, the ground is connected to the ground, and the AD is connected to the analog. The LED's connection positive side is given to the 13th in the Arduino UNO. LED's negative and the buzzer's negative is given in the same position, and the overall negative is connected to the ground. The buzzer's positive is given in the 8th pin in the Arduino UNO. Now let me just explain the program. Here I have used 2 pin modes, 13,8. I use 2 pin modes because one I use it for LED and another one is for the buzzer. I have given VAL is equal to analog A, 0 because it has to take from the 0th value and store it 0th analog and then store it in the value. I have given a if condition. If the value is greater than high, it has to print high, right? Because the smoke leakage is happening. If no leakage happens, it has to be off, right? So I have given an if condition where the value has to be low, 13, low and 8, low. Now let's check the project. So always be careful while using these equipments in lighter, so it may cause serious injuries. We can use a simple lighter. Once we light the lighter and blow off the fire, only the gas leak out. So you can clearly see that if I take it near to the sensor, the LED blinks. We can clearly see that the LED is on and the buzzer is blinking because the gas is leaking out, right? Once you take away the lighter from the sensor, there's a certain amount. After that, the blinking goes off. You can see it clearly in this video.